As competition in the selfie-centric smartphone market becomes fiercer, OPPO has unveiled its newest creation that boasts a 25-megapixel AI front camera, 19:9 screen aspect ratio, and good overall performance. Today we will be taking a closer look at the OPPO F7. But first, let's take it out of the box. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! First off, the retail box features the typical OPPO smartphone packaging design. Opening it reveals the F7 itself. Next, we have a small box where the SIM ejector tool, clear jelly case, and manuals are found. Lifting that up reveals the earphones, the micro USB cable, and the charger. Going back to the unit itself, we can see that it sports a notch, which is indeed the trendiest design feature in smartphones nowadays. It has a glossy back panel, but it's not made of glass. It uses a multi-coated polycarbonate material that still looks premium and elegant. On the front panel is a 6.23-inch Full HD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio, which equates to 405 pixel density. It is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 except for the notch. The F7's display quality is crisp, while the color accuracy and viewing angles are good. The notch of the F7 contains a 25-megapixel front camera with AI Beautification 2.0 and the call speaker. OPPO maintains on-display navigation buttons to maintain slim bezels on all sides of the device. On the right, we have the power button and the tray dual SIM cards and dedicated microSD card. On the left is a volume rocker. Up top is a low noise-canceling microphone. The bottom houses a loudspeaker, micro USB port, main microphone, and 3.5mm headphone port. We're quite surprised by the F7 speaker, as it was quite loud and it has good highs, mids, and even lows. It's a good device for watching movies and listening to music. Lastly, the back panel contains a 16-megapixel rear camera with LED flash and the fingerprint scanner. The F7 feels solid yet very light in the hands. We didn't have any problems holding the device as it provides good grip. What we didn't like, however, is that the entire device is a huge fingerprint and smudge magnet. The box does include a jelly case though, to prevent this right off the bat. Now let's move on to the F7's main feature. The camera's feature includes HDR, panorama, watermark, depth effect, screen flash, and filters. Aside from the usual beautification features, they now have added an AR sticker and vivid mode feature for users to play with. 16-megapixel rear shooter doesn't disappoint either, since it's able to adjust focus and adjust exposure quickly and accurately in auto mode. The photos it produces are clear and detailed. Powering the F7 is a MediaTek Helio P60 processor paired with a Mali G72 MP3 GPU on 4GB of RAM. Upon testing the F7 in Antutu, the score it yielded is quite shocking as it falls under the top tier of mid-range scores. We didn't encounter any problems executing usual daily tasks, watching movies, and playing games like PUBG Mobile. Overall, it's very responsive and smooth. The device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo skinned with ColorOS 5.0. We like the clean look of the UI, and navigation was never confusing or complicated. Pre-installed apps include WPS Office, Google Apps, Phone Manager, Facebook, and Instagram. And that wraps up our unboxing and in-depth hands-on of the OPPO F7. Watch out for a full review in the coming days, where we will be doing a more detailed discussion of all its features. Be sure to smash that like button if you love this video, subscribe